Most economy passengers waste money on upgrades they don't need. Airlines don't want you to know about these hidden seat options. The difference between a cramped 28-inch pitch and a roomy 32-inch one costs nothing. Today, we're revealing proven strategies to upgrade your economy experience without paying more. Seat selection and booking. Let's talk about one of the most important decisions you'll make for your flight comfort: choosing your seat. Airlines have different seat configurations, even on the same aircraft type. Legacy carriers like American Airlines and United typically offer between 30 to 32 inches of legroom in economy, while some budget airlines squeeze it down to 28 inches. This 4-inch difference might not sound like much, but on a long flight, it's significant. Exit row seats and bulkhead seats are often marketed as premium spots, and there's good reason for this. Exit row seats legally must provide extra space for safety reasons. However, there's something many travelers don't consider about bulkhead seats. While they offer more legroom, they come with fixed armrests and no under-seat storage because there's no seat in front of you. This means all your carry-on items must go in the overhead bin during takeoff and landing. When booking your flight, look at the total cost, not just the base fare. Legacy carriers often include seat selection in their base fare, while budget airlines charge extra. For example, selecting a seat on a budget airline can add anywhere from $5 to $50 to your ticket price. Sometimes, what looks like a more expensive ticket on a legacy carrier ends up being cheaper when you factor in all these extras. Timing your booking also affects seat availability. Most airlines release their seat maps 330 days before departure. The best seats often get snatched up by frequent flyers first, so booking early gives you more options. If you can't get your preferred seat initially, keep checking back. Airlines often shuffle their seat assignments as departure dates approach, especially when elite members get upgraded to premium cabins. Comfort essentials. The right travel accessories can transform your economy experience, but it's not about bringing everything, it's about bringing the right things. Noise-canceling headphones top the list for good reason. Aircraft cabins typically sustain noise levels between 85 and 100 decibels during flight. Research shows that prolonged exposure to this level of noise increases stress hormones and contributes to travel fatigue. When selecting travel accessories, prioritize items that serve multiple purposes. A good travel pillow should support your neck whether you're leaning back or to the side. Memory foam options compress for easy packing, but expand to provide proper support. Some newer designs even attach to your headrest, preventing that annoying head bob that wakes you up just as you're falling asleep. Temperature control is another crucial factor. Airplane cabins can fluctuate significantly, and you have no control over the air conditioning. A lightweight, packable layer like a micro fleece or merino wool sweater works better than the thin blankets airlines provide. These materials regulate temperature effectively and don't take up much space in your carry-on. Consider bringing a reusable water bottle. Just make sure it's empty when going through security. Cabin air is notoriously dry, with humidity levels often below 20%. That's drier than most deserts. Staying hydrated helps reduce jet lag and keeps you comfortable during the flight. Finding this information helpful? Hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips that actually work. We post new content every week to help you travel smarter. Onboard strategy. Understanding the rhythm of a flight can significantly improve your experience. Airlines follow fairly predictable patterns in their service timing, and knowing these patterns helps you plan your flight better. On long-haul flights, meal service typically begins about an hour after takeoff and wraps up about an hour before landing. This timing isn't random. It's designed to maximize rest time during the middle portion of the flight. The best time to use the restroom isn't when everyone else does. Right after meal service, there's usually a rush to the lavatories. Instead, try timing your bathroom breaks during movie periods when most passengers are settled in with their entertainment. If you're on a night flight, use the facilities before the cabin lights dim for sleep time. During this quiet period, flight attendants often block off certain lavatories to create quiet zones, reducing the number of available facilities. Movement during flight isn't just about comfort, it's about health. Medical studies confirm that walking every 2 to 3 hours significantly reduces the risk of deep vein thrombosis, especially on flights longer than 4 hours. You don't need to do special exercises. Simply walking to the back of the plane and back provides enough movement to promote circulation. The ideal time for these walks is between service periods when the aisles are clear. Entertainment and productivity. Airlines have revolutionized their entertainment systems, but many passengers don't take full advantage of what's available. Most major carriers now offer free entertainment through their mobile apps. But here's the catch. You need to download both the app and any content you want to watch before your flight. Some airlines even offer free messaging services through their Wi-Fi systems, even if full internet access requires payment. Power management is crucial for in-flight entertainment. Modern aircraft increasingly offer USB ports or power outlets, but their location and availability vary by aircraft type. On some planes, 2 seats share one outlet, and not every seat row has power. Check your aircraft specifications on sites like Seat Guru before your flight. If power access isn't guaranteed, a portable battery pack can keep your devices running throughout the flight. Consider downloading content that doesn't require constant screen attention, like podcasts or audiobooks. This helps reduce eye strain, especially on overnight flights when you should be minimizing blue light exposure. Many airlines also offer free digital magazines and newspapers through their apps, which can be downloaded before your flight for offline reading. Wait, there's more. If you're enjoying these tips, make sure you're subscribed and have notifications turned on. You won't want to miss our upcoming travel hacks. Maximizing airline programs. Airline loyalty programs aren't just for frequent flyers. Even occasional travelers can benefit from strategic program use. Every major airline's frequent flyer program is free to join, and you can earn miles even on heavily discounted economy tickets. These miles accumulate faster than most people realize, especially when combined with credit card spending. Most airline-affiliated credit cards offer perks that directly enhance your economy experience. Common benefits include free checked bags, priority boarding, and discounts on in-flight purchases. For example, if a card has a $95 annual fee but offers free checked bags worth $30 each way, you break even after just 2 round-trip flights. Some cards also offer companion certificates annually, which can provide significant savings on economy tickets. Food and beverage strategy. Smart meal planning can significantly improve your economy flight experience without breaking the bank. Pre-ordering meals typically saves 10 to 15% compared to buying onboard, and you're guaranteed your preferred choice. Consider ordering special meals. They're often fresher and served first, letting you settle in while others wait for the main service. Staying hydrated is crucial, but buying water after security is expensive. Bring an empty reusable bottle and fill it at airport water stations. Most airlines will refill your bottle during flight. Just ask during quiet periods rather than meal service. For longer flights, timing your meals with your destination's schedule helps reduce jet lag. Airport food courts often offer better value than onboard options, and many restaurants will package meals specifically for flights. Remember, you can request drinks between regular beverage services. The galley usually has water, juice, and soft drinks available throughout the flight. Thanks for watching. If these tips helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Speaking of air travel, make sure to check out our next video on 25 smart airport hacks at US airports in 2025. You'll want to know these before your next flight. Drop a comment below with your own economy flight tips and safe travels.